So how this thing work? No? I will, because let's say if someone take a lot of courses not profitable, two things is maybe the strategy learned not suitable, or second thing could be the strategy. So I go deep down into NLP area. So discover, I will study this person since the day he was born. So for example, let's say this person, when young, maybe the parent beat him, or maybe the parent beat him or abuse the parent every time beat the bad side, then maybe he or she might have some angry trading problem. So we will try to discover that. Then talk is easy, but I will have a healing process for the person in terms of trading psychology. Or let's say this person was bullied by a big sister or the big brother, right? Or siblings. Sometimes it's so painful. You know what happened? Have you seen the news last week? Last week, there's one newspaper article. A newly born child was put in a cage, just like put in a cage, and after the father and mother burn the child, pour the hot water over the child. You saw the case in the newspaper a few weeks ago. Someone told me, I heard of the case. Do you understand why? Why do you think the parents want to do that to the children? You guess? Okay, Liana?
I think it could be also anger management problem.
But why would someone? Because
it could be also.
But if it's the father or mother that do that, maybe I still understand, because something could be the father or something could be the mother. If two persons do together, I can't understand why. Why a parent together want to burn the child?
In the newspaper I read, they claim
that
they themselves they themselves have
Sorry, again, I can't hear you.
The newspaper. Can you hear me?
Yeah, can.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, can.
I read the newspaper. They mentioned that they also have some anger management problem themselves.
Yeah. So they might be a bit sick.
So I'm not sure. I'm not sure when they themselves, when they were young. I'm not sure about this case.
That means got one people.
Whether the parents themselves could be also victim themselves. Maybe when they were young, also abused by someone. One of the reasons.
Yeah.
Then, for example, back to my personal experience, I mean, just share a little bit. I'm Diana. So, for example, maybe I attended other training course before. So I don't have the time, maybe not mature enough lah. So I have the thing that wow, I paid 3,000, then it must be I want to be rich fast. So not just did not have the proper money management like what Alan has shared. So just like, oh, okay, this one uptrend, buy. Then one day, the financial crisis or whatever, and then you don't know how to stop loss. So I was quite badly hurt. I mean, financially lah.
Financially, not emotionally also hurt.
Emotionally, yes, because don't know how to like say, you must learn to. I mean, from what I learned from Ellen is we need to be patient. For me, sometimes I want to like say, oh, I want to enter, means now I want to buy this stock and shares. I must get it now. I cannot wait. Right. Then actually, I've learned that actually we have to wait for it to the retracement or the reversal. Must need to have patience. Right. Instead of like I want it now. And also like sometimes like take profit too fast. Did not wait for the target to meet, right? Then straight away say, okay, profit, close it. Did not wait. So I learned from Ellen learn from you is you keep on telling us the importance of money management, must stop loss. Yeah.
Trading psychology.
Thanks.
Trading
Yes,
psychology.
yes.
Yeah. Okay, so one thing that day got people message me about, because I always emphasize the trading psychology, because in our intermediate program, I will use the trading psychology to share with you how to restructure your brain, because we need to restructure our brain. So some people ask me, does the course need to take medicine? So no, this course don't need to take medicine, because psychology people thought 要吃药啊. So because I'm not a trained psychology, I can't issue the medicine for you to eat, then suddenly you will become a profitable trader. So it doesn't work this way. It's to restructure your mindset and thinking, to change your behavior and your values so that you will become the profitable trader. Oh, don't get me wrong, I don't issue the psychology medicine for you to eat. 对吗 Joanne?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm.
Can I know what is the difference between the foundation and the intermediate with the median trader that course?
This one is okay, foundation. Um, so everyone should start with the foundation. So this one will be we will share with them four
Foundation is
strategies.
the compulsory one.
This one is a compulsory. Then after that, right, they will move to intermediate. So after intermediate, you have graduated already. So because I believe in the improver mindset, so if I tell you it's an advanced strategy, then you stop seeking improvement. So that's why we only have foundation and intermediate. So but basically, intermediate, you would have sort of reach the advanced level in the market, but you should seek consistent improvement and try to be even better than your trainer. Then program, that means the program I will have the difference between program and course is that program I will have a few courses for you. So course is a 2-day we finish up. But we will support you. So every Monday 10 to 11, we will have the webinar to support you so that we trade together and make money together. Why have the guaranteed program? So guaranteed program, I will customize, just like you walk into Jojo Armani, you ask them to tailor make a cloth for you, more expensive. So I will customize, I will design something, a strategy that's especially for you, according to your character and personality. And will guarantee you surely make money. So after 5 years, you don't make money, I will do a full refund. So it's suitable for people who think that they can change. Because if some people just like to think that they are right, then there's no way we can help. Because I'm not so let's say you trade your account, I ask you to do A, you start to do B, and you don't respond to me. Then because I'm not the police, I cannot suddenly call police to catch you, say you don't trade my method, right? Or I cannot call and shout at you. It's not appropriate and not professional also. So you have to agree that you are interested to change. It's just that you haven't found the right way. Then I will custom make a strategy that works for you according to your character and personality. Then after that, right, then we will go deep into NLP to help you to reframe your mindset. So these two things, definitely I can guarantee 100% you can be profitable. So I will share with you, so how it works. So now I show you one this so those people who are really keen to achieve financial freedom through trading, or they are keen to create a second source of income. So I will encourage you to sign up now, because the chances is sometimes if you say that you think about it, but after that tomorrow you get up, you continue your own path. So everyone at night, nothing to do, want to think of financial success, financial freedom. But the next day, they continue to do the things that doesn't lead the freedom and the financial success. They continue to chase after the rat race. So the rich dad poor dad 有那个兔子赛跑，兔子rat, how to say in English? how to say 啊？昨天
兔子赛跑。
老鼠啊，老鼠赛跑。So that
啊，
means
兔子
they
啦
put so they
，rabbit 啊
call it a 口停手停啦。So no work, no income, die 啦。对这个意思。So we don't want to be that kind of person because we want to create a second source of income. So one day, let's say I not happy, don't want to work anymore. I can just like slam the table and I don't need to slam the table lah. So just don't need to work lah. Two source of income. One is a second source or maybe passive, or maybe second source because trading you still need to trade. You cannot say it's a passive, right? But you can trading. One thing good is you can trade with the phone, or I always trade with the phone. Trade with the phone, or let's say you achieve financial freedom. You want to go America, go there, trade on your own, or you go to Europe holiday. At the same time, people thought, 哎，昨天不用做工啊。But after one round Europe holiday, 哎，赚了2万呢 ，still can visit the what Paris and London and all that, right? Huh? Sorry, what you say?
No, I say the travel cost all can.
Yeah, all include lor. Where got such a good job like trading? So I share you all. You know who is this guy? This guy you see before? This one not my father, huh? Are you able to see this guy? You know him?
Yeah, it's Ma Yun. It's very popular.
This one is a Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba. I show you what he said.
最关键的，我们不要晚上想想天桥路，早上起来走原路。我们很多年轻人，我们哎呀，晚上想想，明天我必须干这个，早上骑着自行车就去上班。所以我觉得改变从现在开始，行动是真正的一切所在。虽然呢，我自己。
So he said a lot of people like to think of 1,000 opportunities, but the next day continue with a rat race. So the action step and what they want, it doesn't correlate with their thinking, you know. Then when people grow old, they start to regret for their action. Why I stay in a job that I don't love for 30 years? So don't know, so they don't know what they are doing. Then they regret and all that, then feel a lot of pain. Also now, what's next is if you all have completed the foundation program, then you all just sign up immediately today for the intermediate program. So intermediate program, you sign up, we will have the next course, 29th and 30th of August. Then after that, don't start. I think this one is good enough. So if you haven't attended any course yet, you just go for the foundation program. Then after that, you move to the intermediate. Then after that, you graduated already. So unless you need some special structure, then you straight away sign up for the $1 million program. But normal people don't need. So if let's say you trade many years, still not profitable, then or you take many course, not profitable, then you lose confidence in everything in yourself. Then straight away you pay this one. I guarantee you, we will do the guaranteed program. So I'm going to send the link over here. But I send the guarantee. So some people guarantee don't know. So we have 3 kinds of program.